how I cook moi moi in a paper cup. So already the water is boiling, and now I've started putting in the moi moi. So I used paper cup, and because I'm using paper cup, I had to double the cup. Adding a second cup will help the cup not to break, because if you use only one cup, there is a high possibility that it might break in the pot. So I decided to double all the cup so it doesn't break easily. And here I go. Okay people, so I'm done putting the moi moi in the boiling water already. At this point in time, I'm going to cover up and allow it to cook. So I'm going to cover up the pot and just allow everything to cook. So guys, this is 30 minutes later. Let's check what the moi moi looks like at this point in time. Wow. You still have water inside. If you look very well, you still see water. So guys, this is our moi moi. The moi moi is well cooked at this point in time. So guys, here we have our moi moi. Our moi moi is ready.